Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video, I have discussed about question number 1 and sub question of question number 2 in the chapter linear equation in two variables under exercise 10.1. In this video, we will be talking about the remaining questions of question number 2. So we'll just brief out what is the question. The question is about express the linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. So the second question given in your textbook is x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So when you compare this given equation with the standard equation, there is no much difference between those two. So the standard equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So there is no need to worry about converting this into standard form. The given equation is already in the standard form. You just have to indicate the values of a, b and c. Now we can write the given equation as x minus 1 by 5 into y minus 10 is equal to 0. This becomes easy to indicate the values of a, b and c. So I have already told you that if you don't have any number with the coefficient of x, it will always be 1. So here the coefficient of x is 1. Here in the standard form the coefficient of x is a. So in the place of a you have 1. So the value of a is equal to 1. Next, similarly the value of b will be minus 1 by 5. Be careful student, here we have plus by, but in the framed equation it is minus 1 by 5 into y. So in the place of b we have to take it as minus 1 by 5. Then the value of c is equal to minus 10. This is the required answer for the second equation. So the equation is this and the values of a, b and c is the 1, minus 1 by 5 and minus 10. Now we will move on to the third question. The third question is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Very easy students. So we have to convert this first into the standard form. So very in a similar way, minus 2x plus 3y, but here you have is equal to 6, but we have to take this to the left hand side. As plus 6 comes to left hand side, it becomes minus 6, which is equal to 0. So this is the conversion for standard form. Now only thing is we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. So the value of a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 6. Very simple. Just you have to transpose this 6 to left hand side to convert it into standard form. The next question is x is equal to 3y. So as we know that we need to get 0 to the right hand side. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The same thing we have to do even in this question. So we have to take 3y to the left hand side. It becomes x minus 3y is equal to 0. So now in the standard form you have three terms, that is ax, by and c. But here in the framed equation we have only two terms. So we have to frame this in the form of three terms. How to do that is very simple. X minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. So it will be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Because if you add 0 to the equation or if you subtract 0 to the equation, there is no difference in that. So this is your required standard equation. Now we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. Same thing, a is equal to 1 because if you don't have anything the coefficient will be 1. The value of b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 0. This is the answer for the fourth question. Now similarly we will move on to the fifth question. So the fifth question is Fifth question is 2x is equal to minus 5y. Similar to the previous question, transpose this minus 5y to the left hand side. It becomes 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. As we already know that we need 3 terms in the left hand side. So it becomes 2x plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. This is your standard form. In exam, even if you write this equation, you will be getting the marks. No need to worry about that. Now we have to write the values of a, b and c. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 0. On comparing with standard form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You will get the value of a as 2, b as 5 and c is equal to 0. So next, without delaying, we'll go for the next question. The next question is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here you have to be very careful, students. It is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here you don't have the term y. You have ax plus c. You don't have the term y because we know that standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. When you compare these two equations, you have ax term and you have the constant term 2. But you don't have the term by. So we have to convert this equation into standard form so that it includes by term. Very simple. You just have to write 3x as it is plus you need by term, but here you don't have. So you have to write that as 0 into y, because anything multiplied to 0 will be 0. So 0 into y will give you 0 and this will not even alter the given equation. So plus 2 is equal to 0. Only thing is you have to include the term 0 into y. This will not change the given equation. Now it's very easy for us. It is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is your required equation. You just have to indicate the values of a, b and c. A is equal to 3. B is equal to, yes, the value of b here will be 0 and c is equal to 2. That's all. That is the answer. Now moving on to the next question, the 7th question. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. Same thing, students. Here in the previous question we had missed out with y term. So here in this question we are missing out with x term. Nothing. Same thing. So 0 into x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. We don't have the x term in the given question. So we are taking x term but we are multiplying it with 0. So 0 into x will be 0. The equation is not changed, but as we are in need of x term, we are writing it as 0 into x. Now the equation which is required for you is 0 into x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So when we compare with the standard equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, it becomes a is equal to 0, b is equal to, yes, it is 1, because if you don't have anything, it will be 1 as the coefficient. And c is equal to minus 2. This is the answer for the 7th question. Now moving on to the 8th question. The 8th question is 5 is equal to 2x. Very easy question. Just you have to transpose and insert the term y. Simple. You have to transpose 2x to left hand side. It becomes y 5 minus 2x is equal to 0. But we know the standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. But here we don't have the term y. So what we will do, we will insert the term y here. That means 5 minus 2x plus 0 into y is equal to 0. But the standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We will just rearrange these terms now. So it becomes minus 2x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is your required equation which is of the form standard form. Now just indicate the values of a, b and c by comparing. So in the place of ax it is minus 2x. So the value of a is equal to minus 2. The value of b is equal to 0. Similarly the value of c is equal to 5. So these are the answers for the question number 8. This is your equation and this is the values for a, b and c. Very simple, students. If you just practice, you can even frame the answers for all the questions. Thank you.